There are two main forms of enlightenment, an incomplete or partial form, and a complete or full form. Partial enlightenment and full enlightenment are different, but they are often confused with each other. Specifically, partial enlightenment gets mistaken for full enlightenment, so I'll define them both for you so you're able to tell them apart. In the state of partial enlightenment, there is a distinct spiritual presence, realm, or dimension. This spiritual dimension is the heart or center of what you are, and the ground or foundation of the world. It is typically described as ever-present, one, and unchanging. Very simply, partial enlightenment can be defined as the ongoing ability to perceive this spiritual dimension at the heart of yourself and as the ground of the world. In contrast, full enlightenment does not rest on the experience of a distinct, deeper spiritual dimension at the center of yourself or at the foundation of the world. Instead, in full enlightenment, all of experience is a spiritual dimension, you could say. In this way, full enlightenment comprehensively includes all that you experience: your mind, body, the world, and all things within itself. Therefore, even if you don't recognize it yet, it includes everything you are experiencing right now. Every sight, sound, smell, feeling, thought, and everything else. There is not a single part of you, the world, or anything in the world that is excluded from it. In the state of full enlightenment, enlightenment isn't found in a deeper spiritual dimension. Rather, it is inseparable from all experience.